Guys, welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. This is probably going to be our last Shed Wars video. We have weighed up all of everything that we got, and I'm sorry team, some things we ate straight out of the garden, they didn't get weighed. Some things got canned and didn't get weighed before they got canned, but there's a lot that did get weighed. So I am going to throw in some pictures of our produce. I am going to go through some weights, and then at the end of this video we'll have a final weight. And I hope everybody had a great growing season. I hope to see everybody again next year in Shed Wars, and I hope to grow double what I growed this year. There's several things that didn't do well. Our squash didn't do well. Our eggplants didn't do anything at all. And our cucumbers didn't do well. So there was 3 things that didn't do well, and it had to do with the rain and where they were planted this year. But we do have some right over here. Oh, our sweet potatoes didn't do well either. But here's some of my onions that I planted from seed, and it was on my last video. Here's the onions. Here's my cilantro. Here is my peas that I've got to get in the ground. Here's my spinach. The spinach isn't looking well. I hope it will bounce back. I left it out. It got cold. We actually had a frost, and it's not looking so well. But we have enjoyed being part of Shed Wars. Hope to join again next year. Hope everybody has a great growing season. Go ahead, subscribe, like, leave a comment. God bless you all. Here is our potato haul. Very disappointing. Looks like we got about a half a basket of tomatoes and a half a grocery sack of okra. So we're bringing Shed Wars to an end. This is our last video. A lot of the stuff didn't get weighed that we ate fresh out of the garden. We just forgot to weigh it. But all in all, we have 373 pounds that we're entering. And we've harvested everything we're going to harvest. We're putting some fall crops in the ground, but those aren't going to be weighed. It's going to be a while. Maybe those will get next year because they're onions and things. But we've had a great time. We've enjoyed it. And we hope everybody learned something. We learned a lot, and we hope to see you next year. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.